So you might be familiar with these kinds of devices, the kind of device that includes a digital pen and a tablet. Companies such as Wacom, Huion, and Apple offer devices such as these. Of course, there are other companies as well, but these are the main three. People use these devices to complete many different tasks such as drawing, teaching online lectures or in-person lectures, playing certain video games, or maybe 3D modeling. There are many possibilities. It is indeed a fascinating device, but you may be wondering, how does it work? There are actually two kinds of technologies behind the digital pen and tablet. The first one being AES technology, which stands for Active Electrostatic Technology. And the second one is known as EMR technology, Electromagnetic Resonance Technology. But in this video, we'll be focusing on EMR technology only. EMR technology is a technology which was created and patented by Wacom and has been adopted by other companies for their own use. This technology enables two separate devices to wirelessly communicate and transfer data using energy. And I will briefly draw these circles here, but I will explain them more in depth later. Now let's say object 1 over here is the pen and object 2 is a tablet. You'll see that object 1 sends signals to object 2 and vice versa. In order for EMR technology to work, there must be some way of generating a magnetic field. I'll show you how it is done in the next few clips. So, if you were to remove the LCD display from the tablet, you'll see something similar to this. Not quite exactly like this, but similar to this. You see that there are many wires arranged both horizontally and vertically in a grid-like fashion. Now let's plug our tablet into a power source. So when you plug your tablet in, electric current runs through these wires, generating electromagnetic field waves. These are also known as radio signals, and this is what I'm drawing down here in my diagram. Now, the question is, how does the tablet detect the pen? Well, first of all, if you were to look inside of the pen, you would notice that the pen has a copper coil inside of the pen's nib. When the copper coil is brought near the electromagnetic field, the electromagnetic waves are then converted into electric energy within the copper coil. So here this red circle is the electromagnetic waves from the tablet. These blue arrows here signify the electric current. This electric energy then generates electromagnetic waves of its own, which is transmitted back to the tablet. And that here is denoted by M2. At this point, both the pen and tablet are exchanging radio signals of their own, which is what enables the two devices to wirelessly communicate. The tablet's electromagnetic sensor senses the area in which the pen's radio signals are the strongest. This is how the tablet is able to identify where the user is placing their pen. The communication between the two is then processed and forms data which is sent to the computer for input. This is how the device is able to make changes on your computer or tablet. EMR technology is also able to detect the user's intended pressure or tilt by sensing how strong the radio signals are. The closer the stronger and the further the weaker. When a user wants high pressure, they push down harder on their pen. When a user wants less pressure, they use less force, resulting in the pen being farther from the tablet. In short, this is essentially all that a magnetic pen and a tablet is. It is just data collected when two devices communicate with one another through electromagnetic waves or radio signals. So, thank you for watching!